This is my evening routine. First place I head to is the Bunnies. Here at the Bunnies, I give them hay, pellets, and I make sure all of their waters are topped off, and I always give them a bit of a cuddle as well. The next place I head to is the barn. Here at the barn, I let the animals in at night and make sure that their beds are dry and that they have water. Then I head to the calves. I do them every other evening. They get an average of about 100 pounds of hay, and I just spread this along the feeder so each one has an opportunity to eat. Now I'm going to feed the horses. Here at the horses, there are two pens. There are Gilding's pen and our mare's pen. Or you may hear me call them like our boys and girl pen. So for the boys, I give them 10 pounds of hay, and we weigh their hay just so they stay at like a healthier weight, because we do ride them and it's always nicer like on their bodies when they're healthier and fit and have a proper diet than riding them fat, and that could really hurt their joints and whatnot. So that's just the reason why we weigh their hay. And then the girls, they get 23 pounds of hay. And same thing with them, we like to just weigh it. They get this twice a day. And so in total, the boys would get 20, and then the girls would get 46. Now I'm going to feed the guinea pigs. At the guinea pigs, I just make sure that they still have hay, that their water bottle is filled, and I always give them a quarter scoop of pellets. Thank you guys so much if you stuck around for the whole video. Thank you for watching it. If you have any video requests, please leave that down in the comments. Thanks again.